Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking an exclusive first look at the new Brennan BB1. The BB1 is a portable internet-connected speaker which also features internal storage and Bluetooth, making it a pretty flexible device when it comes to playing your favourite songs. It starts at £199 here in the UK and it has a very solid build quality, with a wooden top panel and a combination of aluminium, plastic and fabric making up the rest of the device. It has nice simple controls with 7 buttons on the top, 3 of which can be assigned to presets, as well as a large dial for controlling the volume and navigating menus. On the front of the device is a 2.8-inch TFT display, and on the back a compartment for 4 AA batteries, as well as a USB-C port for power and a USB-A port for plugging in accessories. In the box there's a power adapter and this rather short power lead, but this can be replaced with any longer USB-C cable. You can get the BB1 with either 16 or 32GB of storage, but you can upgrade this yourself, with other people who successfully upgrade into 400GB SD cards, and we'll be uploading a tutorial soon on how to do this. The BB1 can play music from a variety of sources. The 16GB model allows you to store up to 5,000 tracks on the device, but you can also stream audio from your phone via Bluetooth and access over 40,000 internet radio stations and play videos from YouTube. You do this by using the web UI, a pretty unique feature to the BB1 compared to other devices on the market. From here you can control what's playing, as well as remotely upload music and modify some settings. You can also build playlists and assign presets to the 3 buttons on top of the device. To transfer music to the BB1 without using the web UI, you can either use a USB flash drive or a USB CD reader to rip CDs directly onto the device. The YouTube functionality is quite a fun feature, allowing you to watch pretty much any video on the site, and therefore listen to almost any song you could think of, and while you're watching the video it's downloaded in the background so you can watch it again without an internet connection. Although the screen is quite small, it does actually work quite well for watching music videos and does look quite neat on a coffee table or shelf. You can also combine YouTube videos and your music files to make the ultimate party playlist. The BB1 has Bluetooth, so you can play music from devices such as your phone or tablet, which is useful if you want to use streaming services such as Spotify. Moving on to sound quality, the BB1 has 2 40mm drivers and a passive radiator, which do deliver quite a surprising punch from such a small footprint. Now if you're an audiophile, then this product probably isn't for you. The sound is a little bit muddy, and for the money you'll get far better Bluetooth speakers. However, for most people the sound quality is fine, and the BB1 will be great for casual listening or putting on in the background. At 6W RMS it can get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, but crank it too much and you will get a bit of distortion. Overall, I'm liking the BB1. We'll be releasing our full review soon, so stay tuned for our full thoughts on the device. For now, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments section below.